Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is a complete tutorial on how you can solve connection issues, server issues in this game. So let's jump right in the video, and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, and make sure you try all the methods, because I don't know which method will work for you, so make sure you try all of them. So the first method here, what we have to do is to ensure that we have the latest drivers. So go to Windows Update, here Advanced Options, then go to Optional Updates. Then here you'll make sure you install all the drivers you need because if you have a lot of the list here, it's huge. Probably there's a high chance you have a lot of drivers that might be needed for your internet connection to work properly. So make sure you install all the drivers, and then we have to go to command prompt and run as administrator. In here, make sure you enter this command first, and then enter the second command. And then we have to go right click on Open Network and Settings, go to Advanced Open Settings, click on Network Setting, click on Reset Now, and then go to More Network Adapter Options, and here go to your network connection, go to Properties, and here in Internet Protocol version 4, click on Properties, and here make sure here you use the following DNS servers, and here you type 8 and 4, click on OK and close. Now Internet Protocol version 6, you can turn it off, and we also have to go to what is called, let's go network actually, and internet, and here Advanced Network Settings, and here more adapter settings. Make sure you disable and enable your connection. This can give a new refresh. Go to troubleshoot settings, other troubleshooters, internet connection, run the troubleshooter, click on run, detecting problems, my connection to the internet, click on that. And now what we have to do is to sometimes your connection will run very slow because you have some other apps that's using your internet. So go to Resource Monitor, and here if there's, as you can see now, network, I have Chrome is using the internet, so click on End Process. Alright, click on right click End Process, and Chrome End Process. Onto End Process, yes. GeForce Experience, End Process. Okay, that's what you have to do. Now, next method, and what we have to do now is very important, and is to simply go to Device Manager, and here go to, what is it, network adapters, right click and update and search, and you can also go to update, browse, let me pick, and here select another model here that's compatible, that's reliable hardware. Click on next there, and this is the tutorial. Also make sure you complete all the steps in this tutorial, and please then restart your computer so you ensure the changes will take effect. This is the end of the video, guys. I hope now you can enjoy the game without any problems. I really hope this video helped you fix the problem, and now you can enjoy the game. Make sure you subscribe for more, I'll really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.